Hello subscribers, I'm back. So it's been, I think, more than a month since I shared about the technical issues I had with my Cherry Tiggo 7 Pro, and right now I'm on my 3,190 kilometers, and just want to share yung parang 5 things that I really like about this car. And just take note lang na I'm not really a car guy, hindi ako technical. Kung tatanungin nyo ako regarding sa makina or kung paano mag ayos or mag fix, hands off ako dyan, wala akong alam. So my list is just from my personal experience, from a newbie standpoint. Okay, so with that out of the way, number 1 na gusto ko dito sa Cherry Tiggo 7 Pro is yung parang yung sunroof, and at the same time yung parang cover. So at night I really like the view. Kahit nandito ako sa harapan, I like looking at it. And kung during daytime naman, like ganito, or kung mainit talaga, when I cover it, or when I use the cover, hindi tumatagos yung init kasi nga yung cover natin is medyo makapal. So, hindi siya yung parang thin cloth material unlike the other vehicles on my sunroof. So it deflects yung hotness yung init better than those yung manipis lang na tela. So yeah, that's the number 1. And yung number 2 thing na gusto ko dito sa sasakyan na to is yung comfort. And coming from a sedan, iba talaga yung comfort na nabibigay ng Cherry Tiggo 7 Pro. Yung noise hindi masyadong tumatagos, and yung shocks naman is on the parang soft side. Every time na dumadaan ako sa lubak, hindi siya yung sobrang tigas or matagtag. It's like I'm just riding the wave. Unlike yung cellphone holder ko na parang mag-give up na sa cellphone ko. Anyways, so yun. And the third thing na gusto ko dito sa sasakyan na to is yung tailgate, powered tailgate. Kasi I'm a family man, and most of the time ako yung nagsha-shopping or nag-groceries, and it really helps na kung marami kang dala, you just stand at the back of the car, then in just a couple of seconds mag-open na siya on its own. I think it's a really plus para sa akin. Nasaan na ba ako? Fourth thing na gusto ko dito sa sasakyan na to is yung space. As I said before, I came from a sedan, and I am also a family man. We are a family of 4. I have 2 kids, so this car is really spacious, and every time na magbabiyahe kami pa Dumaguete or just within the city, comfortable yung family ko, even if we bring the yayas and lahat ng kanilang mga bags. And last, not really the last, pero isa sa gusto ko sa sasakyan na to is it's a head turner. I think this model is like, correct me if I'm wrong, mga 3 years old na. But then every time na dumadaan ako, or there are times na if dumadaan ako, yung iba talaga napapatingin, or parang makikita mo sa mukha nila na, ano yung sasakyan na yun, diba? Parang ganun. I think it gives up that feeling na it's something new. So yeah, I like that. I like the attention sa car. So yeah, I think for me that's it lang naman. I think it's a bit shallow, diba? Yung mga things that I like the car, but yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya so far. If you have other things, or if you have some technical knowledge or mas deeper mga gustong nagustuhan sa car, you can just comment. If gusto nyo, comment down below, and maybe nagustuhan din niya ng ibang Cherry Tiggo 7 Pro owners. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Guys, kung gusto niyo ng ganitong mga content, please don't forget to subscribe and like sa channel ko. I'm just trying to share my point of view being a Cherry owner, and hopefully dumami pa tayo dito sa Philippines.